Please watch Tomboy Philippines on October 25 at Skydome.
My name is JJ Diching from City of Smile, Bacolod City.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Kirby Ompok, your candidate number 1 from Mobolo, Cebu City.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is A.E. Arisgado representing Bakayan, Cebu City.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Torch Lara representing Zamboanga del Sur from Mindanao. I am the only one from Mindanao.
From all the way from Mindanao, mag-isa ka pa. What made you finally decide to join Tomboy Philippines Part 2, 2.0?
Wala naman po sa kaloob-looban kong sumali kasi wala naman po akong experience. But then I have my parents na supportive naman po, very supportive na pinupush talaga nila ako na mag-explore ka. Mahalin mo sarili mo, mahalin mo yung anong gusto mo, gawin mo yung gusto mo. Nandito kami. So, yun. Lumipat.
Parang ibig sabihin, love yourself first. Walang makakapagmahal ng sarili mo kung hindi yung sarili mo. Yes.
Kahit gaano kalayo yan. Kahit gaano ka mahal yan. Susuportahan ka namin. Hindi naman po kami mayaman, pero mayaman naman po kami sa pagmamahal.
Okay, coming from Mindanao, di ba? Naman ito from Bacolod, you are from? Cebu City. Oh, ngayon, what made you naman decide you flew from Cebu here to Manila just to join Tomboy Philippines? What is the reason why of you joining here?
Siguro po kasi gusto ko matagal na pong pangarap sumali sa mga pageant, especially sa mga tomboy po.
So, first time?
First time po.
Ikaw naman.
Ano po, actually po, hindi po talaga planado na sumali po ako. Tapos nag-encourage po yung mga friends and family ko po na itry ko po. So napag-isipan ko po na okay, tatanggapin ko po itong pagsali po sa pageant for experience na po at for exposure. Tapos yung makakilala po tayo ng mga kapwa nating tomboy.
What will make you win? I think medyo puksaan ang batch na ito. Because trending kasi last year yung batch 1. So again, kailangan pugain at puksain natin ang mga candidates. So what is your edge and what will gonna make you a winner?
And same po rin sa kanya na gagawin lang talaga yung best and di po namin masasabi kung kami talaga yung mananalo dahil po marami po talaga kaming merong mga experience and then may mga pageantera din po kasi na sumasali. Ay, pageantero. Sorry.
For me noon po, lahat mo po may is qualified na maging win or own this title. But for me, maybe my advantage po siguro is I am so very passionate and very advocate about this and I want to spread positive things. Hindi lang po sa mga bakla, tomboy, and sa lahat po ng tao. Sa lahat po ng tao na manonood, I just want to share my experience and then gusto ko maging inspirasyon nila ako. Yun lang po.
Good luck to every one of you and I hope that you will have a good journey here. Medyo matagal pa, but I think you will gain a lot of experiences and syempre lesson from joining the pageant of Tomboy Philippines. I think this very story, di ba? Pukpukan yung first and I think the second one will be also the best to watch, I think. Maraming salamat and congratulations sa everyone!